Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your iPhone name. So let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and head over to Settings app. You can find the Settings app on your home screen, usually represented by the grey gear icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Within the Settings menu, scroll down and look for the option that says General. Once you find it, just tap on it to proceed. Now in the general settings, tap on the first option, About. This is the place where you can find variety of information about your iPhone. On the About page, you will see the current name of your iPhone. Tap on it to change the name. You can now enter your desired name for your iPhone. It can be anything like your name, a nickname, or something unique that reflects your personality. Once you are happy with the new name, tap Done in the top right corner of the screen. That way you can change your iPhone name. By giving your device a unique name, you not only add a personal touch, but it can also help you easily identify your iPhone when connecting to other devices or managing multiple devices in iCloud. So if you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.